Midst of anxiety and uncertainty about electricity prices, the Kenya Power has appointed Maalim Mohamed as its new chairman. Mohamed was elected to the board during an annual general meeting held last month. The former permanent secretary in the Ministry of State for Special Programs in the Office of the President will replace Kenneth Marende, who served as the head of the National Electricity Distributor since December 2014. A former PS in the Ministry of Water and Irrigation will serve as chair for a period of 3 years. It will be left to the daunting task of tackling an already disgruntled customer base who is dissatisfied with Kenya Power's current billing system.
Their wisdom considered me for election, and they bestowed that honorable responsibility upon me to serve as the chair. I'm so honored, and I thank the board for their consideration. But also, I do not want to delude myself to the fact that I'm walking into a board of directors chairpersonship. That's going to be easy. We do know that in our country, we have to keep our power, like all our countries in the African region.
We did some election of directors. We got 2 new directors who came into the board, Sipora Kering and Engineer Mahbub, Ambassador Engineer Mahbub. And this morning we had a board meeting, and as is the practice, an election of the chairman was done, and therefore we have a new chairman to our board. That effectively then means the former chairman, Honorable Marende, term came to an end at the last AGM.